Hello, kids. Today we're looking at factors, prime numbers, and composite numbers. The objective of our lesson today is to be able to recognize prime numbers, to recognize composite numbers, and to be able to find the factors of a number and use this information to decide whether the number is a prime or a composite number. So, how can you recognize prime and composite numbers? And how do you find the factors of a number? So, our vocabulary: product. A product is an answer to a multiplication problem. For example, 7 times 8 equals 56. So, the product of the number is 56. Now that you know that the product is the answer of a multiplication problem, here is what a factor is. A factor is a number that is multiplied by another number to give you the product. For example, in 7 times 8 equals 56, 7 and 8 are factors. Just as in a multiplication problem, you can also have factors in a division problem. A number that divides evenly into another number is also a factor. So, 56 divided by 8 equals 7. 8 is a factor. If you had 56 divided by 7 equals 8, 7 would be the factor. So, here is an example of labeling factors and products. 4 times 7 equals 28. 4 and 7 are factors, and 28 is the product. Here in the division problem, 56 divided by 7 equals 8. 7 is the factor. So, take a quick moment to look at these multiplication statements. Jot down the factors that you find in each number. Pause the video first, jot your numbers down, and then unpause the video to check. So, the factors are 6 and 7, 7 and 9, 8 and 6, and 4 and 9. All right. What are the factors in these division statements? Pause the video, jot down the factor that you find in each division statement. Once you're done with that, unpause the video and let's check your answers. So the answers are 7, 9, 6, and 9. Now that you know what factors are, let's talk about what a prime number is. A prime number is a number that only has two factors, itself and 1. For example, 7 is a prime number. 7 is prime because the only numbers that will divide into it evenly are 1 and 7. So when you are working on factors, the only two you come up with are 1 times 7 equals 7. All right, here are some examples of prime numbers: 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. Now, if you notice here, 1's not included. 1 is not a prime number. To be a prime number, you must have two factors. 1 can only have 1. Okay? Take just a moment and look at these three numbers. Which number is prime? If you guessed B7, you're correct. 7 is a prime number because 1 and 7 are the only factors. 6 cannot be a prime number because 1 and 6 and 2 and 3 are all factors of 6. 8 cannot be a prime number because 1 and 8 and 2 and 4 are all factors of 8. All right, now let's look at composite numbers. A composite number that has more than two is a number that has more than two factors. For example, 8 is a composite number. The factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4, and 8. Here are some examples of composite numbers: 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, and 15. All of these numbers have more than two factors when multiplying. All right, look at these three numbers. Which number is composite? Take a moment, make a guess. If you chose A, 10, you're correct because A, 10, 10 is a composite number. You have 1 and 10 and 2 and 5 are all factors of 10. 11 is only 1 and 11. 17 is only 1 and 17. So 10 is the only composite number. So, our lonely one. You look, poor Mr. One is crying tears because it doesn't belong with prime. It doesn't belong with composite. It doesn't belong anywhere. One is not a prime number because it does not have exactly two different factors. It only has one. It's not a composite number because it doesn't have more than two factors. So, one is the only number that is not a prime number or a composite number. So, take paper and pencil and jot down the numbers 1 to 14. Then pause your video and write out next to each of these numbers whether they are a prime number or a composite number. Once you've done all the way to number 14, unpause your video and check your answers. So let's check your answers now. 1, as we said, is neither prime nor composite, so it's neither. 2 is a prime number. Factors are 1 and 2. 3 is a prime number. Factors are 1 and 3. 4 is a composite number. Factors are 1, 2, and 4. 5 is a prime number. Factors are 1 and 5. 6 is a composite number. Factors are 1, 2, 3, and 6. 7 is a prime number. Factors are 1 and 7. 8 is a composite number. Factors are 1, 2, 4, and 8. 9 is a composite number. Factors are 1, 3, and 9. 10 is a composite number. Factors are 1, 2, 5, and 10. 11 is a prime number. Only 1 and 11 are factors. 12 is a composite number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12 are factors. 13 is a prime number. Only 1 and 13 are factors. 14 is a composite number. 1, 14, 2, and 7 are factors. So, using these strategies, you can continue on and you can choose any number, even if it's 100,000, to see, are they prime numbers or are they composite numbers? All you simply have to do is find all of the factors for that product and then decide, is it a prime number or is it a composite number? Have a great day.